did you ever imagine in your careers that you would end up being in this part of the world in a footballing context? Either of you, or both.
Yep. Índia é mais para o cricket e agora como que pensam que estão aqui agora para o desenvolvimento do futebol?
Eu acho que todo país tem espaço para todo mundo, ainda mais um país tão populoso como a Índia.
There is space for each and every game, and India is a very populous country.
Next question, please.
Hi, my question is for Robert. Robert, you've retired for 3 years, and now you've decided to come out of retirement. How hard it is, and why did you come out of retirement for something like the ISL?
Yes, it's true. I'm retired since 3 years. My last season it was with Aston Villa. So for me, I'm here because it's a good opportunity. I'm still training with Arsenal because I keep the good relation with the club, especially with Arsene Wenger. So for me, it was easy to train with the first team. So when Indian Super League they call me for the new project, I accept because it's very important. Because my passion is a football. I can play. So for me, it was natural to continue. So I'm here with you, with my new coach, with my new team, new owner. So yeah, I'm very happy. Yeah.
Hi. To your left, Mr. Zico and Paris. Hi, this is Zohaib from media. And really it was great to watch the dignitaries from different walks of life coming together to make India a footballing nation. So what you will like to suggest to make India a footballing nation? What, according to you, can be done to make India a soccer champion?
Ele disse que está muito satisfeito que tantos dignitários estiveram aqui presentes para essa função. Quer saber o que são sugestões para fazer esta grande nação para o futebol?
Bom, futebol a gente não consegue que seja realizado de uma forma competitiva da noite para o dia.
Says football has to go through a process so that it becomes a very successful event.
Acho que vão estar vindo para cá, para a Índia, jogadores de diversas culturas de futebol, brasileiro, francês, italiano, espanhol, enfim. Eu acho que o indiano pode aprender muito com todos esses jogadores e treinadores.
Since this league is going to attract a lot of foreign players from Portugal, Italy, Spain, France, and I think India has much to learn from all these top players that are coming to play here.
Não tenho dúvida de que esses jogadores vão ajudar muito os indianos para que eles evoluam e cresçam no futebol asiático.
I know that they will keep on playing for pretty many long years so that the football keeps on growing.
Que eles se dediquem muito, que prestem atenção naquilo que está sendo orientado para que eles possam melhorar e fazer com que eles tenham um rendimento melhor e, consequentemente, melhores resultados.
I hope that all of them will keep on improving, give best performances, and this league will definitely grow to produce great football.
All right. Okay. That'll be all. And now I would like to request our promoters, Mr. Dhoot, Mr. Salgaonkar, and Mr. Dempo, along with...
You've always been with Indian cricket team. We've seen you guys play practice football. So something new role that you've taken up. How did this come about?
Well, when I got to know about the ISL, I think I've been always keen on playing football. That's my second most favorite sport after cricket. No offense to Robert and Mr. Zico, but it's a sport that everyone loves playing because you can really enjoy yourself when you're on the field, on the pitch, and just show off your skill and just express yourself. And we all love to do that, apart from cricket whenever we get some free time. And this, I thought about it. Some might think I'm pretty young to do something like this, or it's a step being taken too early, but nothing's never too early. So if you believe in something, you have to put your 100% commitment towards it. And I decided to do it because I want football to grow in India. I know the kind of passion people have and how keenly they follow all the leagues in the world and the excitement they have. You see the kind of excitement people have during the World Cups. So many screenings and people going mad with jerseys and flags and whatnot. So, that's something that I always wanted to happen in India, to have football grow, because I know a lot of people, most of the people in India love it. So I just decided to come on board with FC Goa. It's more the keenness I have for football, plus, the excitement knowing that I can train with the best athletes in the world as well. And it's almost also a business venture that I'm looking at in future. Cricket's not going to last forever, so when I'm done, when I retire, obviously, I'm keeping all my options open, and it's something that excited me a lot, and I decided to go ahead with it. So yeah, that was the thinking behind it.
My question is to Mr. Salgaonkar. What are you
Well, that's going to be pretty difficult for me to be present at all the games, but I've made a commitment to myself first before making a commitment to the FC Goa franchise, that I will be there at every game whenever I have time, even if it's a day of traveling and I have to travel back and forth. I'll be involved. I'll be present at the games, cheering my team on. So that I've sort of figured out and sorted out when I have to be at the games. And apart from that, it's going good. Whatever I've practiced in the last week, it's been good. Thanks.
My question is for Virat. Virat, as a sports person, how important do you think having a big name coach or a coach who has probably achieved more than you have, how much of a difference does it make to a dressing room?
Well, I think it makes a lot of difference to the players, especially the Indian players, to be coached by Mr. Zico. The kind of experience he has, the skill level he's seen, and the kind of players he's worked with. I think if he can, get that into FC Goa, the Indian players especially, are going to benefit big time from it. And that's at the end of the day, that's what you need as a sports person, to feed off someone else's experience and to learn as much as you can. And someone as experienced as Mr. Zico, as I said, will be great for FC Goa. So it plays an important part, a very important part for the player's psyche to be correct, to be going into the game. So if a coach can give you confidence and make you feel good about your ability, I think that's all you need at the end of the day.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody. This is Vinay Naidu from Lokmat here. I have a question for Mr. Dempo and also Varun. Mr. Dempo, you having done so much for the game, even without this fun, if it's not Go, it cannot be football. So, going forward from here, would we see you at all the games, and are you going to?
For me, personally, as a fan who's been a football fan for a long time, watched a lot of football on TV, I'm getting a chance to come out there and cheer for footballers from within my country, from the grassroots level, for these young boys from Goa who I had the great privilege of meeting at the launch. So for me, I want to go there and see them shine. And obviously under the guidance of Zico and Perez being there, it's an amazing opportunity for these boys. So yeah, I'll be trying to attend as many games as possible from my schedule, and I will be definitely, because I think the live atmosphere in a stadium is something else. I had the good fortune of watching Messi live when he had come down to Kolkata, and that was like one of the most outstanding experiences of my life. So I'm sure when I get to see Perez play and all our young Goan footballers, I'm sure we'll be making a lot of stars on the pitch, and I want to go there and support these boys.
विराट, सवाल आपसे है। अंकुर त्यागी, जी न्यूज़ से बात कर रहा हूँ। आपसे अभी ISL के साथ जुड़ना जस्ट एक क्लिक था कि एक बिजनेस वेंचर आ रहा है उसके साथ जुड़ना, या शुरुआत से जब ISL अनाउंस हुआ था तब आपने फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन के साथ इसके साथ जुड़ने की प्लानिंग करी थी? दूसरा सवाल, अभी हाल ही में आपने एक लंबा अपना खुद का जो क्रिकेट ट्रेनिंग सेशन है वो सचिन के साथ बिताया, वो एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहा? दोनों सवालों के जवाब।
वेल, पहले जैसे आपने कहा ISL जब आया, जब अनाउंस हुआ, उस टाइम मुझे इतना आइडिया था नहीं कि लीग कैसे कंडक्ट होगा, कैसे रन किया जाएगा। लेकिन जब मुझे समझ आया, जब FC गोवा फ्रेंचाइज के साथ मेरा बातचीत हुई और उसके बाद, तो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा उसका आइडिया। और मैंने सोचा कि मेरा जो इंटरेस्ट है फुटबॉल में, उसके रीज़न के लिए और इस स्पोर्ट को इंडिया में ग्रो करने के लिए, और जैसे मैंने कहा एक बिजनेस वेंचर के तौर पे भी मैं जुड़ना चाहता था इसके साथ। तो ये मेरी थिंकिंग थी उसके पीछे। और बाकी मैंने आपको प्रैक्टिस का पहले ही जवाब दे दिया है कि जितना मैंने उनके साथ काम किया है काफ़ी अच्छा रहा। थोड़ी बहुत बातें करी उनसे, उनके करियर के बारे में, उनके माइंडसेट के बारे में, तो काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहा मेरे लिए। थैंक यू।
Good afternoon. My name is Dev and I'm from DNA. My question is to Mr. Dempo. Firstly, what is the concept behind the logo?
And people in India, and it's obviously reached its level of commercial heights, and in terms of interest as well with the people. So it's been going on for a while. I mean, there's no denying that. But what I can do personally to promote football in India is, as I said, to come on board with FC Goa franchise and to show as much interest as I can, and be involved at the games, be present at the games. And one more thing good about this league is, as you've seen IPL, a lot of people are against it, a lot of people don't like it, but what it's done is it's given confidence to the younger players playing with the best, along with the best in the world, that they have the confidence to go out there and perform at that level. So I think this is what the ISL is going to do. When you get a chance to play with legends of the game, you feed off their talent, you feed off their experience, you learn as much as you can from them, and your confidence level goes up. And at the end of the day, in sport, if you have confidence, you probably can achieve anything. It's all about your mental setup. So I think that's going to help footballers in India immensely. And because of this league, you will see the level of football in India going higher, and the interest of people coming in as well. So the skill level is going to certainly improve, the confidence of the players, the infrastructure. So the ISL is a great step towards making football a major sport in India, and I'm all for it. I'm going to have 100% commitment and support towards it.
All right. I think we'll end the session now. All right, last question.
Actually two. One is for Mr. Doot. FC Goa